Okay, hello everybody. I have a Cyclone V10 Dyson stick vac. The cat's walking across the stupid island here looking for water. You got your water bowls down on the floor there, guys. Anyways, they'll be running away when I turn on this. Just got a funny boing noise on this power head here. Still got to complete the charge on it. And I think I'll turn the camera more closer to the unit. It won't be videotaping the unit anymore, but I'll give you the best chance to hear that little light boing noise. It's more obvious to the human here than probably this Samsung's going to pick up on it from its speaker, but I think we can hear it if I do it right. Okay, give it a listen. Yeah, just a little boing noise. Something sounds like something in the filter area, maybe rubber, or is it just new packaging, new materials? It's just got to wear in or something. I'm not too sure. It's basically just a little boing noise. It seems to work fine, got good suction and everything else. And just wondering if that's a normal thing. If anybody owns a V10 Dyson stick vac, yeah, appreciate any comments and all that. Just trying to figure it out. I don't know if there's anything inside that needs to be done, or it just wears in over time. It's just after letting go of the trigger, and basically just goes boing, something like that, a little noise, boom, something like that. All right, thank you.